Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mo's Garage. So as you noticed on the last episode, I bought myself my original Porsche that I had, my first Porsche that I bought, 1984 Porsche 944. And so right now it still has its trip permit. In Ontario, I need to get it appraised so I can register it and license it in my name and stuff like that. So right now it's registered, but it's running on trip permit. So what I decided to do is check everything over before getting a safety done on it to make sure everything's fine. And first thing I found was there's a burnt out tail light. As you can see, this tail light here is burnt, and that's what we got to change. So first step is we open the hatch, and then we have to remove the carpeting here, these little clips here, to get to the light. Okay, so we start by removing these snaps. Let's not forget this little part here. You don't have to take this one off, but for filming purposes, you'll be able to see a bit better. Then you pop the drain hose off and screw this little plastic tab here. And the light bulb is just a simple twist. Push in and twist. That's the old bulb. And here's the new one. And you reinstall everything just backwards from what you just did. Install the drain plug back in, otherwise you'll get water in the back trunk. And we don't want that. Reinstall the little snaps. Just pops back in. Snap the carpet back in. And that, folks, is how you change a taillight on a 944. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. And please subscribe. There's going to be more 944 little tutorials as I go along checking out this car.